Hi, and thanks for joining us. Today we're looking at coach bolts and coach screws. Coach bolts are often called carriage bolts or cup square hex bolts and have a round head with a square underside. They are available in a range of sizes, have metric course threads, and are commonly used in construction and timber trades. The drill size for drilling into wood is the same as the coach bolt size, so for an N10 diameter you'd use a 10mm bit. Often confused with coach bolts that fasten with a nut, a coach screw is a heavy-duty wood screw with a hexagon head and screws straight into wood or masonry. Their primary use is to fasten heavy timber into position, for example when installing gates or fences. You should always drill a pilot hole for a coach screw to prevent the wood from splitting. The hole should be half of the coach screw diameter for softwood and 3/4 for hardwood. For example, when using an 8mm diameter coach screw, it would be a 4mm hole for softwood or a 6mm hole for hardwood. When fixing into timber, we advise either using a flat washer or a square plate washer with the coach screw to avoid accidentally countersinking the screw head. You can also use a plastic plug when fixing to masonry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.